How to see who sent you NGL messages. If you have not downloaded NGL app on your device, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and search for NGL. From there, you can install the app. Once you do that, open NGL and the first step is to copy your link. So tap on copy link here. Once the link has been copied, tap on the share option to share link on your Instagram story. So here you simply want to tap on next step, and next step. Now tap on share on Instagram. So once you're in here, you want to tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. From here, tap on link option, and here you want to paste the link that you have just copied. Now tap on done. After this, you want to drag your link and paste it right here. Once you do that, you want to tap on your story option. So after the story has been posted, you want to open it up, and here you can find the Facebook option at the bottom of your screen. So tap on that option, and right now it says share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically. So here you want to tap on share stories. As you can see, this has been shared to your Facebook story. So now if you open up your Facebook app, here you can see that the NGL link has been shared on your Facebook story. So that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.